Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's in this video we are going to talk about GitHub Student Developer Pack. So GitHub Student Developer Pack is the best pack ever designed for the student. So GitHub and so many thousand plus other companies, other educational companies developed this pack or created this pack which have the collective offers in this pack worth 20 sorry $12,000, which means about 9 lakh rupees in Indian currencies. So this pack offers you a great offers like you will get a GitHub Pro subscription for a year, Canva subscription, like 3 domain names from different companies, and digital cloud, digital oceans, $1,000 cloud credits, 6 month subscription of educative.io, and free access to StreamYard premium subscriptions. And also you will get access matlab entry access to GitHub Campus Expert. Means if you have the GitHub student pack, then only you can apply to GitHub Campus Experts, and there are so many offers available in this pack. So basically this pack is available for every student who are studying whether in college or schools. So for that, for now let's talk about how to apply. So you can apply for this pack only when you are students, like you need to have a student ID proof or the proof of your college students or college email ID, but the college email ID is not mandatory. You must be older than 13 years. This is the very important thing that you have to keep in mind. You must have a GitHub account for application. So if you don't have the GitHub account, go to github.com and create your GitHub account. So now let's talk about how you can apply to this pack. So I have added the link in the description of this education.github.com/pack. So when you are here, then you will find all these offers. I have added the link in the description, you can check it out. So like you will get the Canva Pro subscription, digital audience subscription, Namecheap domain. This is the first domain, and this is another domain, name.com, and the third domain is also there. So there are so many offers are there in this pack. You can see. So now if you want to apply for this pack, just click on this button here, get your pack. So when you click on this button, you have to log in with your account, GitHub account. So they offers the GitHub education pack is offering for students as well as teachers, for individuals. Like if you are watching as a college or schools, then the GitHub education pack is also available for schools or colleges. So now if I am talking about for students. So for students, click on here, get student benefits. So when you click on here, you will head over to your profile where you can reapply or apply for the first time. So this is my account, GitHub account. So I have applied before, but I got rejected. My account got rejected because I have not submitted the correct profile ID. So now I have got my student ID card. So now I am going to apply my GitHub student pack, and those who got their GitHub student pack, kindly mention in the comment that I have got the student developer pack, and how are you experiencing the pack, just mention in the comments. So let's more talk about the GitHub student pack. So this GitHub student packs only works for the first year, 1 year, not first year, it works for 1 year. So this means you have to reapply or renew your GitHub student pack every year when you are a student. So like if you are in a college, and generally most of the colleges have 4 year of curriculum. So like you have to renew every year for a 4 years. So this is it. And while you are applying, the application after being submitted reviewed your application within 2 weeks, and if you are eligible, then you will got a approval email from the GitHub, and you will access all the offers from them. So it approximately takes 2 weeks to review your application. So there is an important tip. I have added a blog link in the description. This is an official blog of GitHub where you can read more about this GitHub Student Benefits Pack, and you can check it out, that link in the description. So hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Comment if you have already applied or got the pack. If you have not applied, then just go and apply now. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe our channel. Be sure to share this video with your friends, because many of us don't know about this GitHub Student Pack, and this service is worth 9 lakhs. So with that, thanks for watching.